Hi, don't forget to check out my course for the quant section of the CAT exam where I've explained all concepts, tips and tricks, shortcuts and past year questions in great detail. Hey everyone, so in this video series we are going to discuss all CAT 25 questions starting with slot 1. So without wasting too much time, let's go on to the questions. This is the first question I have on my screen right now. Please pause the video and try it once and you can resume for the solution. Right, so a straightforward and a pretty easy question based on permutations and combinations. A cafeteria offers 5 types of sandwiches. Moreover, for each type of sandwich, a customer can choose one of 5 breads and opt for either small or large size sandwich. Optionally, the customer may also add up to two out of 6 available sauces. The number of different ways in which an order can be placed for a sandwich is. So how many types of sandwiches do you have? 5 types. Each type can be chosen in 4 breads. So bread options you have 4 and each of them can be either small or large. So basically size wise I could classify the sandwich as small or large. So 5 options for the type, 4 options for the bread and 2 options for the size. If you ignore the sauces available, the sandwich can be prepared in 5 into 4 into 2 ways, right? 5 4s are 20 and 22s are 40 ways to prepare the sandwich, given that we are not selecting any sauce right now. Okay, so 40 ways for the sandwich alone. Now the sauces have to be up to 2 out of 6. So out of 6 you can select 0 sauces. Out of 6 you can select 0 objects in 6C0 ways. That's one way to select the sauce. You don't select any sauce as such. Same way you could select 1 out of 6. That could be done in 6C1 ways. And you can select 2 sauces also out of 6. That can be done in 6C2 ways. So the total number of ways to select the sauces could be either 0 sauces, that's 6C0, okay, or exactly 1 sauce, that is 6C1 ways, or exactly 2 sauces, that's 6C2 ways, either 6C0 or 6C1 or 6C2. So 6C0 plus 6C1 plus 6C2. This is the total number of ways to select all the sauces, right? So the sandwiches can be selected in 40 ways and the sauces can be selected in 6C0 plus 6C1 plus 6C2 ways. The total number of ways to make the sandwich would be 40 multiplied by 6C0 plus 6C1 plus 6C2. 6C0 boils down to 1 plus 6C1 would be 6 plus 6C2 would be 6 into 5 divided by 2. So 6C2 is 6 into 5 divided by 2. 2 and 2 gone. 3 into 5 would be 15. And this entire thing multiplied by 40. So 40 into 1 plus 6 plus 15 is my answer. This is 22 into 40. 40 into 22 should be 880, 880, and that is my B option, right? So as I've said, it's a pretty straightforward question. That's how we do it. The answer would be option B, 880.